Hey there, and welcome to Gateway Travel's YouTube channel. I'm Amber, and welcome to our latest video where I'm going to share some fantastic tips for managing group travel for clients coming from different locations. So, whether you're organizing a reunion, a corporate retreat, or any other group type event, managing the logistics for clients spread across various regions can be so challenging. But with the right strategies and tools, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience for everyone involved, including you as the agent. So let's dive into some key points I'll be covering today to make your group travel planning a breeze. First things first, managing group travel for clients from different areas of the country or even internationally, it's going to require that careful coordination. We've all seen how travel planning has evolved, especially with the increase in remote work and virtual connections. So, whether you're juggling client preferences, bookings, or coordinating schedules, keeping everything on track is essential. But trust me, with the right approach, it can be incredibly rewarding. So, let's get started with some tips. Communication is everything, right? For groups traveling from different locations, nailing communication is crucial. Start with regular check ins. Weekly or bi weekly meetings can really help keep everyone informed about the trip's progress. You've got loads of tools like chat apps, video call platforms, and even group emails to make this especially easy. Set clear expectations about response times and availability. This cuts down on stress and keeps everyone in the loop. And remember, open and transparent communication is absolutely key here. Encourage your clients to share their thoughts, preferences, and any concerns they might have right from the get go. Now let's talk tech. Having the right tools can make a world of difference when you're managing group travel. Project management tools can really help you track tasks and deadlines, while iCloud storage solutions can really keep all your trip documents in one place, as well as accessible from anywhere. Don't forget about travel specific software that can handle bookings, itineraries, and even special requests smoothly. And of course, cybersecurity is a must. Keep your client's data secure by using a VPN or other security measures. Now, who says you can't have fun just because your clients are from different locations? Building a sense of community and excitement before the trip is so important. Try virtual pre trip activities to build anticipation. I know this might sound a little wonky, but people are excited, and if you give them an opportunity, they're gonna give into that. So, setting up something with online games, virtual happy hours, or even a dedicated trip countdown can bring a lot of joy and connection amongst your group. Recognition and small surprises can also go a very long way. It doesn't have to be big. Sometimes a simple personalized message or a small travel gift can make someone's day. Encouraging casual chats and social interactions keep everyone feeling really connected as the trip is approaching. Creating a fun and positive atmosphere even before the trip makes the experience more enjoyable for everyone. Setting goals and doing it right keeps everyone aligned and on track. Smart goals are your best friend here. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Break down the trip planning into smaller, manageable tasks. Regular progress reviews and feedback sessions help keep everyone aligned and moving forward. And documenting processes and workflows ensures consistency and clarity, which is absolutely essential for smooth operations. Maybe you're dealing with a group that is all coming from different time zones. No sweat. Create a shared group calendar where everyone can see each other's time zones. Overlapping hours are crucial for real time collaboration, so try to find windows that kind of work as best you can for everyone. Be flexible with communication times to accommodate everyone's different time zones. And to make scheduling meetings a breeze, use tools that can handle time zone differences effortlessly. Lastly, always provide support and opportunities for growth. Continuous learning is vital, so offer your clients resources like travel tips, destination information, and local culture insights. Mental health and well being are just as important to share. Share those resources or tips to help your clients stay relaxed and excited about their upcoming trip. Regular one-on-one check-ins with the group leaders or key members are a great way to address individual needs and provide a tailored advice for their trip. Encouraging a positive and inclusive group dynamic ensures that everyone feels valued and actually looks forward to the journey ahead. And there you have it. These are just a variety of practical tips to help you manage group travel for clients that are maybe coming in from many different locations. As always, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this video and these tips helpful. If you have any other strategies that have worked for your group travel planning, please take a moment and drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Happy planning and see you next time.